What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Micro Futures Trader channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about investing into the stock market. A lot of these principles that we talk about today will carry over into the cryptocurrency market, but some of the brokerage platforms that we talk about will vary depending on the products and services they provide. So welcome. We're going to jump right into this. We're going to talk about pretty much the first step you need besides having some money before you can buy and sell and invest your money. So in order to buy and sell stocks, you need what is known as a brokerage platform, a brokerage account. Similar to having a bank account, maybe you have a deposit from your employer into a bank account, and then there you can manage your money. You need a brokerage account that you can buy and sell securities, very similar to a bank account. So stockbrokers are people or firms licensed to buy and sell stocks and other securities via the stock market exchanges. Decades ago, the only way for individuals to invest directly in stocks was to hire stockbrokers to place trades on their behalf. Yes, you can still make a phone call to buy or sell a XYZ stock or security. You can also manage it now all from your house, online, from your mobile app, on your phone, very easily. So you're going to need a brokerage account. Very similar to opening a bank account is the same with your brokerage account. So we're going to check out a couple different platforms here. We're going to start this one off with what is known as TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade. I have personal experience using TD Ameritrade in the past. I never had any issues. I really enjoyed their web-based platform where you log into your account. I have also used and had good experience with their active trading platform, which is known as Think or Swim. They offer a wide range of products, transparent pricing, innovative tools for the more savvy investor or trader, and they have dedicated support. I have personally spoken with their support team and was happy with that service. So this is TD Ameritrade. Now, I don't know this for sure, but you may be able to open up a TD Ameritrade account within your local TD Bank branch. Now, I'm not sure of that, but I'm sure you could stop in and talk to their staff, and they would be happily to assist you. If not, you could definitely call and get assistance over the phone. But for those a little bit more savvy, or maybe they just want to take care of it themselves, you could easily open it on the tdameritrade.com website, and they walk you through the steps. Very easy, not too confusing at all. So number 2 will be Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab has been around for a very long time. I do not have personal experience with the Charles Schwab brokerage accounts. I know people who do have them and who have spoken with their team members on the phone, helping them buy or sell securities, and they were satisfied as well. So it's just another option. Charles Schwab, maybe you feel more comfortable with one or the other. Maybe you like one or the other better. They are all very good these days, and it all depends what you are looking for. If you want a more active, if you plan on learning, or maybe you already know how to trade stocks, maybe you want a more trader active platform. So like TD Ameritrade has Think or Swim, which is their active trader platform for options, stocks, futures, and so on. Charles Schwab, I don't know if they have anything like that. I'm sure they do. But if you're just looking to invest XYZ a month, maybe a more basic platform, basic brokerage account will be right for you. So number 2 is Charles Schwab. I will leave a link to all of these down in the video description. One that has been around for a very long time as well is the Vanguard. Vanguard.com is this one. Now, with all of these, you can open up, I believe all of these actually, I'm not sure about actually we'll be coming up to those, but definitely TD, Schwab, and Vanguard, you can have multiple and different kinds of retirement accounts within their within your account. So that is good. IRAs, Roth IRAs, and so on. Most of these will list all of those options. So I have had personal experience with Vanguard and been happy with the service and the platform, been using them for years. I would definitely recommend them. From my personal experience, maybe you will disagree, but for myself, Vanguard has been great. I like the platform. It's simple. I would not recommend Vanguard if you want to be active trading, but if you're just simply buying stocks over time with some dividend reinvestments, or you want a IRA, a Roth IRA that just simply invests in a few different products and your dividends get reinvested via the DRIP program, perhaps Vanguard is the choice for you. It's great for that. I wouldn't recommend it for somebody who is a little bit more active, but if you don't plan on that, it is a great option. I would highly recommend it. Definitely for a retirement account. Vanguard.com will be this brokerage. Next, guys, Tastyworks. Looks like we didn't head to the website. Tastyworks.com. This is a phenomenal, relatively newer company. Been around for more than a couple years now, but in the brokerage space, definitely new. Tastyworks, they actually just switched their name to Tastytrade for their brokerage platform, their active trader. But I have and use this every single day. I use what's known now as Tastytrade, but the website still is Tastyworks. I have multiple accounts, regular trading accounts, cryptocurrency accounts, and retirement accounts within their platform. If you plan, let me mention this, if you plan on learning how to be more market savvy, if you plan on buying and then maybe even selling stocks more active, I would recommend opening up one of these brokerage platforms that allows that. So in the beginning, it might be a little confusing in the beginning, but in the end, it'll be well worth it because you'll already have your funds and your account open, and then you can learn along the way with one brokerage account, one platform. So for example, if you open a Vanguard account because it might be easier today, but you plan on learning how to buy and sell stocks down the road, or maybe even futures or options or cryptocurrencies, I have a big cryptocurrency audience, then it's probably better to take the leap into something a little bit more advanced like Tastyworks or Tastytrade is what they're called now, than it is to have to move your funds over from Vanguard into Tastyworks down the road. But you could still do that. I have done that, and they do make that transition easy. We have moved a Roth IRA from Vanguard into Tastyworks, and it's a relatively smooth process, but you could avoid that is where I'm going with this, and just open one now and learn along the way once you have that account open. It's a great platform. Like I said, I use it every day to trade cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, options, done it all on there. And the platform keeps getting better and better over time as the technology is being built out. So this is Tastyworks.com. They changed the name. Tastyworks has changed its name to Tastytrade, as it tells us up here in the top left-hand side. So this is a great one. They have a great mobile app, a great app for your devices. They have a great desktop platform as well. Relatively inexpensive, to say the least, to buy and sell stocks and cryptocurrencies. They offer a lot of cryptocurrencies as well. Futures, micro futures, many stocks. I can't guarantee you they have lots of low-priced penny stocks, but they do have some. I have traded some of them on their platform, but they have all the basic, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Russell, Dow Jones, stuff like that, SPY, IWM, QQQ, and so on. So spending a little bit more time on this one because I use it every day and I'm very happy with the service and the account. Heading over to the next one here is M1 Finance. Now I do have an M1 Finance account. I do not use it though. I have an open active account, but I do not use M1 Finance. I have used it in the past, but I am not active on this. It is an option. I believe since 2015, they have been open here. This is M1 Finance. It's just one of many options. I will leave a link to this down in the video description if you want to check out M1 Finance. So my goal is just to list a decent amount, a handful or so, and then you guys dig into it and find out what is best for you. I do believe M1 Finance has also a more active platform if you're looking to become more market savvy. Next is Fidelity Investments. Fidelity has definitely been around a long time. That kind of reminds me of like TD Ameritrade. Definitely a good option. Like I said, it depends what you were looking for. Lots of people use Fidelity every day. Have great luck, great service. One of many options. And guys, these are just a couple options. There's way more out there than this. But these are kind of some of the bigger players that you may have heard of in the past. This is fidelity.com. You can open up an account up on assuming you're on a desktop, a laptop, the top's menu here, you can hit open up an account and it will give you options of what you would like to open. So you can open up a savings or retirement. You can open up IRAs, investing and trading, spending and savings, and so on. That is Fidelity, guys. So that is going to be the last one we talk about today. Let's do a quick recap, though. So we have our number one is TD Ameritrade. Like I said, you might be able to open an account in person, but I am not sure of this at your local TD Bank branch. I am not sure, though, but if that's something you would like to go check out, you could probably just give your bank a call and ask them, or quickly stop in. Charles Schwab has been around a long time. I know some people who have accounts with this. They enjoy it. They like it. It's definitely an option to consider. Vanguard, been around a long time. Very well-trusted company. We have some accounts with them, both standard and retirement accounts. Have had great luck with them and their service and staff. I wouldn't recommend this for somebody who wants to be a little bit more active in the markets. But if you're simply just looking to invest XYZ every month, every week, keep it simple with a couple products, not looking to trade necessarily, great option. That would be Vanguard. If you are more of the market savvy or plan on becoming more market savvy and you want to trade a variety of products, if you want to learn how to trade stocks, cryptocurrency, options, futures for very cheap, and have all those options within one platform, Tastytrade, Tastyworks is the go-to, in my opinion. It's what I use every day. Very happy with it. Tastyworks.com is the website. I will leave a link, like I said, down in the video description. What I like so much about this platform is, now they don't offer all of the cryptocurrencies. They offer a lot. I think it's it says it right here, 25 cryptos and counting. all within one account. I can go to my position tab. It shows me what positions I have. I can have a Roth IRA. I can have a standard brokerage account, all within one platform. I can see what each account holds. I can see the positions in both of those accounts. I can be holding Bitcoin, XLM. I can be holding the S&P 500, Dow. I could have options. I could have futures, all within one platform on one screen, easily managed. Tastyworks.com. Formerly, they just changed their name to Tastytrade. M1 Finance, like I said, I don't have too much experience with this. I do have an account. I have used it, but I don't use it right now. It's just an active account. But I've heard and read great things about M1 Finance. I know it's popular, so I wanted to mention it. They have a great app, and I'm sure they do have a more of an active trader platform if that's what you are looking for. M1 Finance. And last but not least, Fidelity. Been around a long time. Definitely worth your time to look at. Could be right for you. Maybe you have good luck with Fidelity, or people or friends in your family use Fidelity, and maybe that's the way you want to go. So fidelity.com is also an option, guys. So if you want to invest in the stock market, so the stock market might be the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones, the Russell. Maybe you want to invest into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or other currencies like the US dollar index. These are all valid options. Not all of these options will offer cryptocurrencies or even the US dollar. But I think out of the ones we mentioned today, which is TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, Tastytrade, or formerly known as Tastyworks, M1 Finance, and Fidelity, there should be a good option that will probably work for all of you. All the links I'll have in the video description. This will be a series of video, guys, series of videos. We will have more videos out. This is our step number 1. So once you've accumulated or saved up or worked up XYZ, you want to invest that first $1,000 before you can go buy the stock or the stock market, the S&P 500 will say. You need to have a avenue to be able to go do that. So you need to open up a brokerage account. Guys, all links down in the video description. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all of the subscribers. Subscribe for more. Turn on the bell notification. This is one in a series of videos that we will be having out shortly. So keep an eye out for video number 2. Thanks, guys. Take care.